So today we're going to make a DIY charging station. Here are the materials that you'll need. So let's begin. So first I'm measuring the size of the shoebox onto the glitter paper, and then we'll soon cut. Cut. Now we'll stick it, and then soon you'll see what we'll do. We have to stick the glitter paper with the shoebox properly because it has to be proper and fine. So you have to also measure and count how many plugs can you fit into that cord, and then according to that we'll draw the holes and cut them out. I didn't stick the shoebox with the glitter paper on all sides yet because we have to still cut out the holes on the shoebox, and then later we'll cut the holes from the glitter paper too. I used a fizzy drink soda cap to draw circles, but I used it only to see how I can do the squares. We're doing squares and we're not doing circles because I find the squares much easier. So I'm cutting the squares out of the shoebox, and then you'll do the same for 4 times, but you can do it as much as times you want. It depends on the size of the shoebox. And on the side too, you should cut the square to fit in the cord. See, that's how the cord will go inside, fit in, and I've already cut the 4 squares to do it, and now I'm going to glue the glitter paper with the shoebox. measure the size for the lid, the top of the shoebox, and the side. So now we're on to the decorations. I'm using these stickers or diamantes. So we're going to cover it up. I left the front side of the cap or top, and then I'm covering it with diamantes. Basically, I made this because I thought that the wires were actually getting tangled up. So I think this is pretty useful to keep your wires untangled and protecting them from all sorts of dangers and damages. So we're on to the finals and it's done. So it was made by me, Abiha By Us. So bye!